Lesson 42, volume. Volume is just the total amount of space occupied, and it's measured in cubic units. Cubic units just means that whatever your units are, you're going to make sure that it's cubed. So if you will draw a cube, that is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. To find the volume of this, we just multiply 1 inch times 1 inch times 1 inch, and we get 1 inch cubed. That would be the volume of this cube. The volume of a prism is equal to the area of the base times the height. So we can write that as V equals BH, where V stands for volume, capital B stands for area of the base, and H stands for the height of the prism. If you have a rectangular prism, the volume is just going to be length times width times height. Because the base is a rectangle, it's just length times width. That's going to be the area of the base. So here's an example. If we have a rectangular prism, 10 feet, 30 feet, and it's 30 feet back. If we wanted to find the volume, all we have to do is do the area of the base. This is the base here, 30 by 30. So we have 30 feet times 30 feet times the height, which is 10 feet, and that will give you 9,000 feet cubed, and that will be the volume of this rectangular prism. Here's an example, just without a picture, we're just using the words. If we have 3 layers of cubes, and each layer has 20 cubes. How many cubes in all? And that's just the volume. So we're just trying to find the volume. So we would do 3 times 20, and we would have a total of 60 cubes. One more example. So we're going to draw a figure that has 2 rectangular prisms attached. So I'm going to try to draw this. So this is 12. This is supposed to be 12. This one's 15, that one's 20, and this height is 10. So we can find the volume of each rectangular prism here. So if we do base times height, this base is going to go all the way back here. So it's going to be 12 plus 20. So we have 12 plus 20. What is that? 32. So the base is 32 times 12. So we have 32 times 12, which is 384. And then the base of this rectangular prism is just 15 times 20, which is 300. If we add those together, that gives us the area of the whole entire base of this prism. So we have 384 plus 300 is 684. And then the height of the whole thing is 10. So we times that by 10, and we get 6,840 units cubed. And that would be the volume of the whole thing. So in order to find the area of the base, we had to break it up into 2 different rectangles. And then we could do times the height, which was 10. And that's the end of the lesson.